how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it, or how you can see your Instagram account while logged in. So in this quick video tutorial, I will let you know that how you can see your password of your Instagram account in just one simple step. The trick is very simple, and you may have forgot your Instagram password, but you need not to worry, because in this one simple step I'm going to show you your Instagram password. And for that purpose, you first of all have to open up your Gmail app. Whether you are on iPhone or Android, these steps are exactly the same. So after opening the Gmail app, you have to simply tap your logo in the top right corner of your screen. And after that, at the top of this list, you get the option Manage Your Google Account. So tap on Manage Your Google Account and these settings will be opened. And let's say if you don't have installed the Gmail app, you can directly go to this interface by going into your Google Chrome and type in here in the search bar accounts.google.com and press the go button, and this same thing will be opened, which is opened in this interface for me. Here you get different options, which is home, personal info, data and privacy, security, and people and sharing. So from these options you have to go into security, which is the fourth option in this list, I guess. Yes, you have to go into security and scroll down to the end and scroll more. And here you get the option Password Manager. So tap on Password Manager, and next it will show you all the saved password of the apps that you have saved up to the day. From this list you have to find Instagram.com. So for example, this is Instagram.com here, let's suppose it. When you find Instagram and tap on that, it will ask you to enter your password in this box. So you gotta enter your Gmail or Google password and press the next button. And here on this page, it will show you your Instagram username. And for showing the password, just press this single I button and your Instagram's password will be revealed. So that's how you find your Instagram account's password. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.